Maria.
Yeah?
Come here. Hurry up, honey child. I don't have all day.
I'm coming, okay.
I have a question for you.
Okay, shoot.
Do you think that this tutu makes my butt look big?
Well, do I have to answer this?
I asked you the question. I was requiring an answer, so, yeah, you kind of do.
And you want the truth?
The truth and nothing but the truth. You know what they say, the truth shall set you free.
Okay, well, I wouldn't say big, but, maybe a smidge.
What? Are you saying I'm thick?
I did not say that. I did not say that. I did not say that.
You're saying this tutu makes me look fat.
I did not say that.
Oh,